हेलो बच्चों, जय श्री कृष्ण। કેમ છો બધાય મજામાં? તો રે ઓપ્ટિક્સનું નેક્સ્ટ સેક્શન સો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે શું લર્ન કર્યું? તો વેલોસિટી ઓફ ઇમેજ ડ્યુ ટુ પ્લેન મિરર. તો એમાં આપણે લર્ન કર્યું વેન all things are rest, means mirror is at rest, first case, and all are moving with respect to each other. So first case માં જોવાનું કે object is moving perpendicular to the mirror, then the equation of find the velocity of image is VO is equal to minus VI. Second case, when object move parallel to plane mirror, then the equation becomes VO is equal to VI. Next case, when mirror is also moving with respect to object, then the equation is find the velocity of image, that Vm perpendicular is equal to V object perpendicular plus V image perpendicular divided by 2. Complete. એંગલની પણ આપણે વાત કરી લીધી 37, 45 બરાબર. હોમવર્ક પણ મેં તમને આપેલું, કર્યું ન કર્યું એ તમારી ઉપર છે. એક વસ્તુ યાદ રાખવાની કે જે પણ કરશો એ તમને કામ લાગશે બરાબર. ઘણીવાર એવું પણ બને કોક પાસેથી નોટ્સ લઈ લે, કોક પાસેથી ફોટા પાડ લે. એક વસ્તુ યાદ રાખવાની કે આપણે શું લર્ન કરીએ છીએ એ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. કોક પાસેથી આપણે લર્ન કરી લીધું હોમવર્કની કોપી ને ફોટા મંગાવીને, તો એમાં કંઈ શીખવા ન મળ્યું આપણને બરાબર. તો આપણે ખુદ સમજીએ કે કેમ ના આવડે બરાબર. પાછી પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીએ, પાછો વિડીયો જોઈએ, પાછું કોમેન્ટમાં પૂછીએ, પાછું કોઈક બીજા સરને પૂછીએ ન શું આવડે બરાબર. એ રીતના ડિસિઝન રાખશો તો ઘણું બધું આવડી જશે બરાબર. આજ આપણે લર્ન કરવાનું છે ઇમેજ ફોર્મેશન લો ફોર કોન્કેવ એન્ડ કોન્વેક્સ મિરર. કમ્પ્લીટ. સો ફર્સ્ટ, ઇમેજ formation rule for concave mirror. હવે એના માટે તમારે 4 લો યાદ રાખવાના છે. ફર્સ્ટ, concave mirror, this is principal axis. When the ray is incidence ray is parallel to principal axis, is always pass through the principal focus. When ray is parallel to principal axis, the reflected ray always pass through the principal focus. Second, when the incidence ray is passing through the principal focus, is always, and incidence ray is always parallel to principal axis. When incidence ray is passing through the principal focus, the reflected ray is always parallel to principal axis. Third, when a incidence ray is passing through the center of curvature, then reflected ray is always also passing through the center of curvature. जिस रास्ते पे आई है उसी रास्ते पे वापस चली जाएगी. Fourth, very much important, when an incidence ray is making an angle theta with principal axis, so as we learn the law of reflection, that incidence angle and reflection angle are always same. So reflected ray always make an angle theta with principal axis. ये 4 लॉ आपको याद रखने हैं. Again repeated. First, when incidence ray parallel to principal axis, then reflected ray is always passing through the principal focus. Second, when the incidence ray is passing through the principal focus, then reflected ray is always parallel to principal axis. Third, when the incidence rays pass through the center of curvature, the reflected rays also pass through the center of curvature. Complete. Fourth, very much important for lateral magnification. When an incidence ray is making an angle theta with principal axis, the reflected rays also make theta with principal axis, because the law of reflection, incidence angle and reflection angle are always same. Complete. Next. So there are six basic conditions to form the image due to concave mirror. Then after we see the image formation due to convex. Basically there is basic lecture आप 9th-10th में भी ये learn करके आए. First, object is at infinite or beyond C. अभी that is very easy, पर मुझे तो रिजल्ट बरोबर याद है. तो रिजल्ट अगर आप अच्छे से ड्राइंग नहीं करेंगे तो रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. तो स्ट्रेट ड्रॉ करना है, थोड़ा सा ही करो. पोल से 2 सेंटीमीटर प्रिंसिपल फोकस and 2 centimeter for center of curvature. Okay. Here is the object A, B, head, tail. So there are 2 minimum rays are required to form the image. Remember, minimum 2 rays, maximum there are number of. First, parallel to principal axis is passing through the principal focus. Another passing through the principal focus and is parallel to principal axis. Here is the image A dash, B dash. So from this we can say that image is between F, C and F. Another रियल, इन्वर्टेड. अब आपको याद रखना है, जो रियल होगा वो इन्वर्ट होगा, रियल होगा वो इन्वर्ट होगा ही, और वर्चुअल होगा वो इरेक्ट होगा. रियल होगा वो इन्वर्ट होगा, वर्चुअल होगा वो इरेक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट, साइज, डिमिनिश्ड, स्मॉल, and its magnification. Magnification means height of image, height of object. Image, object. Here object is plus and image is negative, so plus negative, so magnification is less than 1. आपको ये सब याद रखना है. नेक्स्ट, एट सी. अब ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऊपर होगा तो क्या होगा? पोल, प्रिंसिपल फोकस, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. कंप्लीट. ऑब्जेक्ट ए, बी, हेड, टेल. अब मुझे तो पता है, सो इमेज विल बी फॉर्म at center of curvature, B dash, A dash. अब ड्रॉ कैसे करना है? 2 rays are required. First, parallel to principal axis, passing through the principal focus. Another is passing through the principal focus and parallel to principal axis. Complete. Now image at C, real, invert, same size, magnification, height of image, height of object, object image negative, object positive, so -1 for magnitude is equal to +1. Third, object between C and F, principal axis, focus, center of curvature, between C and F, A, B, हेड, टेल. अब इमेज फॉर्म होगी बियॉन्ड सी. फर्स्ट टू रेज पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस passing through the principal focus, another rays passing through the principal focus parallel to principal axis. For this we can write the result. Between C and beyond C, real, invert, large or enlarge. Magnification, height of image, height of object, height of image, negative, object positive. Object is very small compared to the image, so denominator small, nominator large. So complete. Next, magnification is negative and quite large. Next, fourth, at focus, pole, focus, center of curvature. Object A, B, two rays are required. First, passing through the principal focus, another ray. अब ये तो कॉनकेव मिरर रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस आ जाएगी. So image at infinite, real, invert. ये रेस कहीं ना कहीं के पे तो मीट होगी एट इनफाइनाइट डिस्टेंस. Enlarge, magnification negative and quite greater than 1. Next, principal focus, center of curvature between F and P, A, B. First, parallel to principal axis, passing through the principal focus. Another, passing through the center of curvature, and they meet A dash, B dash. So we can say that they are not real meet. They meet by virtue, by force. So that is from the virtual image. The image format beyond mirror, virtual, erect or upright, very large, magnification, height of image, height of object. Now image and object both are positive, so the magnification positive and greater than 1. Next, last, at infinite. When the object is at infinite, then two rays are parallel to parallel to principal axis. They pass to the principal focus. So we can write the result is at focus, second, point size, real, invert, magnification quite small. Complete. So ये सारे रूल थे the image formation for concave mirror. Now two rules for convex. For convex के लिए भी 3 rules are required. First, pole focus, center of curvature, convex में इस साइड आएगी. So when ray is parallel to principal axis, it diverges and passing through the principal focus, that is divergent ray. Next, focus, center. When a ray incidents on principal focus, it reflects and parallel to principal axis. Third, FC. When a ray incident on the center of curvature, it's also reflect in that direction. So that is basically 3 law for convex mirror. So ये सब आप 9th-10th में पढ़ चुके हैं, बराबर। पर इसकी प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, क्योंकि JEE नीट और गुजकेट में ये सब पूछा जाता है कि इमेज कैसी फॉर्म होगी। आप टेक्स्ट बुक के भी सम्स देखिएगा, पूछेंगे वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, इन्वर्ट, इरेक्ट, ये सब पूछे जाते हैं, तो उसका भी मार्क है। रेडी? आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए, ड्रॉ करिए। और आज का सेशन बस इतना ही है। अब नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट थियरी इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकल लेंथ, F = R/2। तो पढ़ते रहिए, अपने परिवार का ख्याल रखिए। जय श्री कृष्ण।